So the YouTube Shorts beta functionality is being rolled out across the US. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you are in the US, that means that you will have access to this functionality. From March 18th, YouTube are rolling out this across the US. So that to me means that not everybody's going to get it straight away. Like other tools that YouTube have rolled out, it could take a number of weeks to get to you. Now, you could be one of the lucky few that you've got it on your mobile already, and good for you if you do. One thing I would recommend is that you have the latest version of the YouTube app, not the YouTube Studio app. So when that functionality does reach you, your app is ready to rock and roll. Some other information YouTube have mentioned in their blog post about the rollout of Shorts in the US is that Shorts are currently getting 6.5 billion views per day. That's billion with a B. Obviously, this is set to rise as they roll it out across the US and eventually roll it out across the rest of the world. But what does that mean for you? Well, if I've said it before, I'll say it again. You need to start making shorts right now. And if your next question is, well, where do I start making these shorts? Check the links in the description below. I have a number of videos showing you exactly what you need to do, even if you don't have access to the Shorts beta app. I'm in the UK and I don't have access to it. It's just India and the US that currently have access to it right now. So the rest of us in the world don't have access to Shorts, but we can still make them. So check the links in the description below after you finish watching this video, of course, and start making your shorts today. So what other updates have YouTube rolled out? YouTube have added even more tools to the Shorts beta app. Already in the app were speed controls, a multi-segment camera, and the ability to record with music. But now you have the ability to add text at specific points in your video, just like you can see here. So if you have instructions or callouts or stuff like that, you can go ahead, add them on your video now. But perhaps the biggest update to the Shorts beta app is the ability to sample audio from any YouTube video. But what does that mean, I hear you ask? Another great question. That means you can take the audio from any video and create your own short with that. You can see from YouTube's blog post here where it says,
in the coming months, we'll launch the ability to use audio from videos across YouTube, which includes billions of videos worldwide, unlocking a new playground of creativity like never before. This means you can give your own creative spin to the content you love to watch on YouTube and help find it a new audience. Whether it's reacting to your favorite jokes, trying your hand at a creator's latest recipe, or reenacting comedic skits. Creators will be in control and will be able to opt out if they don't want their long-form content remixed.
So you'll be able to create your own short with the audio, not the video, and create your own shorts from that audio. Now, if you have long-form content that you don't want other people to take and sample the audio from, as it said in that blog post, you can opt out of that. But that begs the question, are you automatically opted in? It's one of those things we'll just have to wait and see when YouTube releases that on the platform to see what happens. If a rollout of other tools on YouTube are anything to go by, this is going to be an 18 to 24 month process. As we've seen with Stories, YouTube Studio, and all the other tools that got added to YouTube over time, it does take approximately 18 to 24 months for it to become stable on the platform. So does that mean another year or two of frustration with YouTube? More than likely. But what about music? Can we use that, I hear you say? Yet another great question. So on the same blog post you can see here they've written,
we've also worked alongside our music partners to make sure artists and creators have a large library of songs to use in their shorts. As we launch our beta in the US, we'll have millions of songs and growing, music catalogs from over 250 labels and publishers, including these here. As we expand shorts, the library and number of partners will continue to grow.
So obviously YouTube want to be able to access the library of songs on their platform that they already have. So it looks like they've worked out a deal with the record companies that will allow you to be able to access those songs and put them in your shorts. And if there's a particular song that you like on a short, YouTube will give you the ability to go through to the video of that particular song and then create your own short with that track. They're going to give you a button underneath that music video so that you can create your own video with that track and also find out other shorts that are using that track too. Now, I don't know when that is going to be rolled out, but it should be sometime this year. So with all these tools being rolled out and YouTube Shorts still being the Wild West that it is, yeehaw! Expect bugs, expect frustration, expect annoyance with the YouTubes in months to come. And as for monetization, there's no commitment from YouTube as of yet as to how they're going to help you monetize your content. That is definitely one of the things that they have to do. So definitely don't hold your breath, but it could take anywhere from now to the end of the year or even longer for that to happen. We may even see a new monetization criteria using shorts. I'm not so sure YouTube know exactly themselves what they're going to do, so we'll just have to wait and see. And if you're outside of the US and India, what are you going to do? Just follow the steps I show you in the shorts videos, links in the description below, on how you can start making shorts even if you don't have the beta app. So if you are in the US and you still haven't been rolled out yet, you can use the same steps that the rest of us have to take. So if you're in the US and you have access to the Shorts beta app on your YouTube app, let me know how that's going for you in the comments area below. And if you've been using Shorts, no matter where you are in the world, how is that going for you and your channel? Let me know again in the comments area below. And if you are new here or you simply haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell to be notified when we upload videos every single Tuesday to help you grow your YouTube channel, especially if you're a business. And we go live every single Saturday on the Saturday stream to answer your questions to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you want the best practices for creating your YouTube shorts to grow your YouTube channel, make sure to watch that video right there.